Pam and I have a story for you. Our story is entitled Rene and Ronnie by Purificacion C. Balini. So, let's start! One early morning, Rene and Ronnie went out to the park to play. But it started to rain. Pitter patter, came the rain. Rain on the trees, rain on the seas, rain on the housetops, but not on us, shouted the two boys. And no sooner had they shouted than the rain stopped. Rene called Ronnie to play with him. Rene got his new red car and Ronnie had his blue car. The two had a car race. Go, 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 said Ronnie. Go, 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 shouted Rene. Rene was surprised when his new red car suddenly stopped. He ran to the car and saw some sticky mud under it. He removed the sticky mud and the red car ran fast again. Ronnie saw his car tailing behind. My, I know my old car will not win, said Ronnie. But lo, Ronnie's car reached a smooth lane and went faster and faster. Hooray! My car won, Ronnie shouted happily. And that's the end of our story. Hope you like it. See you soon. Bye!